Java programming language, known for its simplicity, reliability, and platform independence, has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Its versatile nature and extensive range of applications make it a preferred choice for developers across various domains. Whether it's web development, desktop applications, mobile apps, big data processing, or game development, Java is a widely used programming language that serves various purposes. It is commonly used for 1. Web development. Java is utilized in creating dynamic web applications, including large-scale enterprise-level applications and interactive websites. 2. Mobile development. Android applications are often developed using Java, making it a popular choice for mobile app development. 3. Desktop applications. Java is used to build desktop applications with GUI, graphical user interface, capabilities. Big data. Hadoop, a popular framework for processing big data, is written in Java. For enterprise applications, many large-scale enterprise applications and systems are developed using Java due to its scalability and robustness. 5. Embedded systems. Java is also used in embedded systems, such as smart cards and SIM cards, due to its platform independence. 6. Scientific and research applications. Java is used in various scientific and research applications due to its performance and portability. 7. Financial applications. The language is often used in developing financial and trading applications due to its security features and performance. Java's versatility, platform independence, and strong community support make it a popular choice for a wide range of applications across different domains.